Hello, cleaning buddies. Hey, child. It's me, Cleaning Fee. Y'all, can y'all believe it's already Christmas time? And New Year's is around the corner from... Y'all, 2022 is kicking us out of this year. You know what? I'm glad to go because it's just been too much for me this year. But I cannot believe, but hello people, again, you guys aren't here for this. Y'all are here for some motivation. So here in today's video, we have a cheap and elegant and easy Christmas garland, door garland to do. I bought the garland from Walmart, I believe, pre-lit for, I believe, $9.98. It's like a 6 foot, and I'm using up all my ornaments and ribbons and floral picks that I had got from Dollar Tree years ago here and there. So the only thing that is new is the Christmas garland. But you guys enjoy. I will be popping back in to explain. Alrighty. Hey, child. Yes, we're going to clean and prep the door for the Christmas garland. I believe they still have them. I just bought this just recently, like I said. Today's date is December 7th. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever time you are watching this, or if you are a night owl and you're working graveyard, hey child. But anyways, yes, people. The door was filthy. I just cleaned it off with some cleaning wipes, either Lysol, whatever. They probably was Target brand, Walmart. I don't know, but we just cleaned the door. We're going to get it ready to put this Walmart garland and put these command hooks on here. So I wrap those around the garland, around the command hooks. When I place it around, I put like 4 command hooks around my door so I can place this I guess you would call it asymmetrical, around my door. And so, yes, people, I can't believe this year has, oh my goodness. Woo! Okay, yeah, I had to take a pause because, yes, we're about to add the garland, but it was a Walmart 6 foot pre-lit garland. I put that on there, but y'all see what it is. But anyways, I won't say that this year has been all bad for me, but it's been, I've had something recently happen on Thanksgiving, but again, people, we're here for the motivation. This year has been happy and sad for me, but it is really has been, this year has moved like a freight train. I just know that. Like I said, I feel like the lion on the cartoon that asks for how many lumps does he want from Bugs Bunny. And he says, oh, about 3 or 4. That's what the lion says. And Bugs Bunny tears his head up and keeps doing it. And he keeps on asking for these lumps. Anywho, y'all, that's how my life has been in this year. Been good and bad, but I can't get out this year fast enough. But I'm trying to get myself together. I still have not put up my tree. I will. But I'm hoping that I'm gonna introduce you guys to somebody. But anywho, I'm fluffing up the rest of this. I had to check and see if the lights worked. They did. I used this alien tape that I got from Walmart. I've been wanting to try this, but I have put it in like 3 spots. It sticks to stucco, people. It sticks to the stucco. And that's why I was like, ooh, yeah, let me try this out. So it does work. So I put it up in certain spots that's up there, and it will remove off easily also. So that was cool. So what I'm doing is putting some ribbon that I said, oh, this is so pretty. I can use this outside. I think I have some more, but I bought that from Dollar Tree. It's like a gold shimmery wired rimmed ribbon that I had bought from Dollar Tree that I've had in all my supplies and stuff for years. So I decided to use it on this because I said, let me finish the outside, because I've already did some of my tree that's in my front yard. I've done, I also put the garden fences that I have in my living room that you saw in my 2022 autumn fall clean and decorate with me. And oh, you guys, go back to all my videos and give me a thumbs up to help my channel. Come on, y'all, and thank you so much for supporting. I'm so glad if you are here today. Thank you for watching. But again, people, oh, and these are floral clips that I also bought from Dollar Tree. I forgot when I bought these, but when I saw them, I said, oh, this would be perfect to put on, because I usually put them on my Christmas tree, because the colors will be silver and gold that you see that I'm doing at the front door. In my front yard, I have it a little bit more colorful, because to me, it's the front yard. I could do it all themed out inside and out, but I'm not doing that, because I'm trying to use up all of my decorations and ornaments and ribbons and bows and all that stuff that I have so much of, people. But yes, I'm just getting this right. This is, you can look at it, do as you will. If you're going to do this, also, this costs hardly nothing. You can also get garlands from Dollar Tree. Also, I suggest get a couple of them to kind of fluff them up and, you know, beef them up a little bit. But I love these ornaments. They have them each year at Dollar Tree. I love the size of them. Those are also the ones I'm going to do the Mickey Mouse ornaments with. So that video is coming soon, people. Forgive me, because life has got in the way, but that's what life does. And we're here for other things. Again, we're here for the motivation that I'm giving you right now. But you guys, enjoy. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys get into this. I'm almost done. Enjoy. And again, thanks for watching. Again, hit that like, subscribe, comment, and ring my bell, child. Alrighty. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Ciao.
For rainy days, it feels like a decade. Just please come and save me.
Those smaller ornaments, the silver and gold ornaments, they're glittery, smooth, kind of textured, different ones. Those are from Dollar Tree. Has really stepped up. I mean, really stepped up. And I've had these for a few years, and some I've just recently picked up. Like I said, I'm going to do the Mickey Mouse ornaments. But, oh my goodness, people. So I use stuff that I already had, and I use zip ties to bunch them up like in threes, and they're in different sizes, so, and then different textures of how they are. So I'm adding some of the ornaments also clustered up in threes onto the wreath that I bought from Burlington, and that was $19.99. And the little topiary from Big Lots that I pointed out, that's by my front door, I had bought that about 2 years ago. Yes. It's kind of faded now, so I think I'm gonna spray paint it back like a green. But it's also pre-lit, and I love it because it has a timer on it. I wish the lights on the garland had a timer. It does not. And I was thinking about adding lights onto the wreath, but no, I said that'd be just too much. And then I like it, if I keep going, I'll overdo stuff. So I tried to keep it simple. But yes, that's what I was doing. I was adding some more of the little ornaments. But again, I was shopping my house, people. I was shopping my house. And again, I had put those garden fences on each side of my garage. Oh, I'm going to show you guys at the end how everything looks outside at night. But anyways, you guys, enjoy. Thanks for stopping by. Again, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and ring my bell. But again, you guys, alrighty. Let me just stop talking, because I get to rambling and don't know what to say. And I sit up here going, alrighty. Alrighty, you guys. Here I go again. Bye. And this mesh gold ribbon that you see hanging down is also from Dollar Tree. I've had this for a long time. I had it for autumn, for fall, but I never did use it. So I said, okay, it's going out there because these are the colors that I'm gonna be using. So like I said, I was cheap this year for the holidays, people. Too much is going on and I have too much stuff. I'm trying to weed through all of my stuff that I have. I'm also gonna bring stuff to work and have refresh the ornaments that are here. But again, you guys, enjoy.
Chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't see. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't see.
Alrighty people, this will conclude the video, and if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching, and stay safe, sane, and prayed up. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching again. Stay tuned. Bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Also remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future uploads. Alrighty, and remember to hit all. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy. Here's the reveal.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Those large ornaments that are in the tree I've had for years, and those large Christmas lights that are in the tree, I just got those from Walmart along with the Garland that I had got for $9.98. And those are $24 for those large Christmas lights. And there are the garden fences from Dollar Tree that I had zip tied 9 on each side. And those wreaths, I've made those years ago to go on those lights on each side of my garage. But thanks for watching, you guys. Enjoy and come again. Stay safe, sane, and prayed up. Bye.
Jack Frost nipping.